Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the roundabout by the Norman Manley International Airport, and they have finished working out here now. So this is what the new Kingston sign is going to look like, and the Norman Manley International Airport sign. So that's a sign that says NMIA, which is Norman Manley International Airport. And we were hoping they were going to paint the signs like the Negril sign, but this is how they're going to leave it. It still looks nice, but I think if they had put it in colors like the Negril sign, it would have looked better. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Based on how they have the roundabout setup, there is so much space for the Air Jamaica tail to have been in the middle. If you guys can remember, the Air Jamaica, the tail with the lovebird on it, was here for decades, for a very long time, even after the airline stopped flying. It was very symbolic, and they just recently took it out to do this work. Now they are putting the tail in a museum, or I'm sure it's in storage now, eventually to reach in a museum. But I think it might have been nicer to have it out here. Not sure, guys. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Where they have that flagpole, they could have put the tail there. And something that surprises me about this development, I was going to say that it doesn't look well maintained. They just finished it, and it's like they need to cut the grass, but I don't know. I know that no, I'm not sure, guys. What do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. But it's nice, very modern looking. It's just, this is now Palisades Strip, and we're heading back towards the Harborview roundabout. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I know a lot of times they put up these nice buildings, parks, but maintaining them sometimes is, they don't maintain them properly, I should say. So hopefully that they will maintain this one properly. And you know, the airport operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I hope they have a good maintenance plan. Alright guys, it's very nice. We'll come out here at night to see how it looks when the lights are on, because they have lights to light it up. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.